Hey guys, what is up? It's Nathaniel's Life back here, and today we're going to knock down this thing, and make sure to subscribe to Oogie Boogie. He's my friend right here, so make sure to subscribe to him, and make sure to subscribe to me also. And let's get on with the video. So yeah, let's go. This is the whole domino track, if you want to know. It looks really, really big. We actually used it by hand. We actually made it by hand. Just kidding. See that domino box right there? So anyway, let's actually go do this thing. Serena will do the honors. And 3, 2, 1.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.